Thank you for joining us today. My name is Carolina Garcia. I am from Cota, Cundinamarca, and I am going to talk about sustainable agribusiness and food value chains. Let's get started. There are a number of points I would like to make. I am going to divide this talk into three parts. First, small-scale producers provide. While small-scale producers provide over 70% food needs integrate into smallholders into food value chains, looking for generators of employment and income, improving the sustainability and benefit hundreds of millions of poor householders in developing countries. Secondly, farmers' agribusiness, governments, and civil society must collaborate to promote inclusive and efficient food systems that better integrate small farmers into value chains and agribusiness and improve their access to the markets. Such as models can increase the value add from raw materials, hence boosting local rural economies, food security and nutrition, and off-farm employment. Additionally, we found disadvantage of integrate small farmers. For example, improve their access to markets, increase the value added from raw materials, boosting local rural economics, food security and nutrition, off-farm employment, responsible contract farming and territory. The disadvantage of integrated small farmers. Free trade and fair competition will cause the price of domestic agriculture products to fall. The concentration of the best lands in the hands of a few powerful owners. The control of the main markets by some multinational corporations. The existence of policies against the peasants in favor of import instead of domestic production, where small producers complete the incentives and economic subsidies for pesticides and fertilizers that tend to perpetuate agrochemical dependence even when the negative impacts on the environment are evident. Thirdly, key policy measures. The policy development, legislation implementation, adding value to agricultural production is rural areas, public-private partnerships, policies to promote sustainable agribusiness and food value, pull factor increase agricultural productivity, market access. Finally, I would like to say the main causes of farmers' dissatisfaction, difficulty of obtaining credits, cost of the credits, difficult to get quality seeds, little labor in the field, difficulty to sell your productions, fertilizers cost to crop care products, dependence of transport, low internet access in the field. I hope you have found this presentation useful. Thank you.